All right, guys, so we're down here at the bottom again working with this thing, and man, I am covered in hydraulic oil. I don't know if you guys can even see this, but I am just covered. It's super funny too, because that was the second to last time that I needed to lift that blade up. I was just lifting the blade up and hydraulic line blew and shit, it got everywhere. Coated me. That being said, we sold Dink. Dink is getting out of here. It's one of these things that, man, it's such a cool little project, but we just have so much going on right now. We have so much on our plate. Once I found out that this thing only turned to the left, it just escalated this project like tremendously, huge amount. So it's one of these things that if this thing sits outside for the next, let's say 3 years before I can get around to doing this clutch or something, it's going to be too late. You know, this thing's going to be too rusted. Maybe the other clutch is even going to be seized up. So I listed it for sale. We could use the money. We have the wedding coming up. We have a lot of stuff going on. Some guy, showed up. We worked out a deal. I actually am going to deliver it to him. He's just a little south of us. But as I was picking up the blade for the second to last time, it blew. So that's that. We're trying to get it strung up so I can at least get it on the trailer here. I got the jack under it there, and I'm really hoping to get one of these ratchet straps, well, one of those bigger ratchet straps, and get underneath this thing here and maybe wrap it around it and go all the way to the back or something like that. We'll see. I left the gas on last night, I think.
Uh-oh.
It probably just all dripped out overnight.
Oh.
Oh, come on. Here, I can give it a little bump like this.
It's almost there. All right, guys, we just got back a little bit ago from dropping Dink off to his new owner. A little bit of a sad day, but we're gonna move on, and we're starting a new project. I'm walking here to the bottom, and we're gonna be doing some digging and pouring some concrete here soon. What you got there?
The tiller.
The tiller.
The tiller.
What are you doing with that?
Till the dirt up to make it easier to dig.
Till the dirt up to make it easier to dig. We need to get some space cleared out. Okay, step one, move this huge piece of metal.
That'd be a good way to get some 16-footers.
My hip has been just cramping randomly. Feels like it's it pops out of place. And then
Your hip?
I'm gonna
Jousting?
joust you, spear you.
full.
Let's put this tiller to use, huh, babe?
See if it starts. This will be a good test. We might have to go get the starting fluid.
So we're gonna till this
Try to break it
little,
up a little bit.
yeah, break it up, till the plot up.
So I was reading about how this tiller works.
Mm-hmm.
And so like, I guess you set this back thing for how deep you want to go. And the tiller should like mostly stop at that level.
Okay.
Or something. So we want to go like 9 inches, we said, because we're going to fill it, or is that what we said?
8 inches.
8 inches. That's probably 8 inches, that hole, right?
Yeah, sure. You want me to get the tape?
Yeah. Go.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So that's on. This thing has got a little or a little throttle.
What's all over you, babe?
Oil. Do I look like a mess?
I was just thinking how you went from one dirty hat to another.
Yeah. This one doesn't have oil on it though. Not yet. It just sweat stains. Yeah, that was hydraulic line slap in the face. Last joke.
That was from Dink for selling him.
Yeah, he was pissed. She was pissed. It was pissed.
It was
They don't
pissed.
discriminate.
Right. They were pissed.
They were pissed. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, I'll go back the other way. All right, you guys, the camera died, so I had to run back up to the top to grab, I actually grabbed this Dr. Prepare charging station so that the cameras won't die when we're down here at the bottom. Pretty nifty little setup we got here. Mike should be just about done with the tilling, and then we're going to get to shoveling. Nice job. It looks like some very soft dirt. Back to the top. What are we getting this time?
Well, number 7.
He's running. Mush.
Typical. Typical.
Mush.
Out there.
I think so. Try that. Oh. We are about there.
We are about there.
One more little corner.
Yeah. Scoop that out.
What's for dinner? What are you cooking me?
Pesquete?
Spaghetti?
Huh?
Crazy hair.
I know. But
Crazy, crazy hair.
we got this dug out.
Yes.
Yes.
This is a good important task that we're doing here.
We'll definitely have to do another lap through this, another couple passes. We made it probably 4 inches, and I think we're shooting for like 8.
Didn't go deep enough.
Didn't go deep enough.
That's okay.
That's all right. We'll bottom them out here soon.
It's
Cool.
dinner time.
All right.
Asta.
So we're sitting here editing it, and we never really explained what exactly we were doing down there at the bottom. So what that is going to be is we're going to put some gravel back in that hole, then we're going to fill it up with concrete, and we're going to set the sawmill on there. It's going to be a total of what, like 20 feet long, I think?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yep.
And eventually we're going to have a roof over it. So
Eventually.
Eventually. But for right now, we're just going to have the pad so that it can be level.
Yeah, it'll be nice. We're making it 20 feet long, so we're going to extend that sawmill so we can cut some full 16-foot boards. And yeah, that's what's going on down there.
Mm-hmm. Should be good.
Yeah, if you guys haven't already, you should like this video down below if you did like it. And we'll see you in the next one.
See you next time.
Hopefully, well, you know what? I'm going to see if it wants to roll first, because if it's going to roll, I'll just do it. Hopefully it's not going to roll once.